Hey guys, welcome to Heartdeco Wonders. Today I'm showing you how to install our very luxurious wine rack. So this unit can store wine, coffee, and gin. It can store up to 12 bottles of red or white and maybe a few coffee cups as well. Let's head right into installation. Okay, so first thing is first, we're going to take this very nice bottom piece. As you can see over here, it has a few holders. You can store up to 10 wine glasses or 12 champagne flute glasses if you feel like getting fancy. We're going to be placing this at the bottom of the table. First thing is first, we're going to be grabbing this panel. Make sure that these two holes closest to each other is facing down, and making sure that the mounting holes are showing towards yourself or wherever you want to be the back. And then we're going to be taking the unit, placing in the screws, and then we're going to assemble. Okay, so since this is a one-man operation, I'm going to show you a little trick. You're going to turn the bottom piece to its side so it can stand like this. Then you're going to grab the panel, rest it over here on your arm, align the holes at the bottom, and then insert your screws with your right hand and then tighten it. So ladies, if a man tells you you can't do this, then I'm showing you, you can. Just going to fasten it with my right hand while holding it here on the left. Just like that. Turning it back like this, then you can see that the bottom piece is installed now with the side panels, and then we're going to just insert the pole right here at the front. Okay, so we're going to be taking this pole, aligning it here with the screw holes, and then I'm going to place a screw on the left side over here and then kind of just wiggle it in like that. So as you can see, the screws are already placed inside each hole. We're just gonna unscrew it and then we're gonna go on with the rest. Continuing with the one-man operation, I'm just going to turn this unit on the side. I'm going to take the top shelf over here, place it neatly and aligning it with the screw holes like that. And then it's simple. I'm just gonna insert my screws and then it's complete. And now we're flipping it around to the other side, aligning it with the holes once again and then screwing it. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Now I can have a yummy cup of coffee or wine, or I could just dissolve my problems in a glass of cocktails. It's all available online at www.heartdeco.co.za. Please like, subscribe, and follow us for more.